Guys, it's Kristen from Garden of Kristen, and I am here in my house, and I wanted to show you my plant room because I'm going to start some seeds today, and I thought you might like to come along. So here we go. Okay, so we're coming around the corner. Sorry if the background noise, we've got some fans going because it's hot today. Um, so this is my plant room, and during the winter time it's mostly house plants, but well, I guess seed starting too, depends on the time of year. Um, I've got some water jugs over here that I keep filled up with water. These are just some pots waiting to be washed. On the left side here, I've got a shelf for propagating with a grow light there, some extra jars and vases on top. In the cupboards here, I've got like some fertilizers, some neem oils, some spray bottles, things like that. What do I have over here? Yes, some more. Oh, that's where that fish fertilizer is. I want to use that outside. And various things down here. These are little drawers of seeds. I usually keep these in the refrigerator, but I needed to go through them today. And I've got them sorted by color. These are the green cut flowers or foliage things. I've got blue and purple here, pink. This is the yellow box. And then over here I've got orange. Oh, I think I've got the orange one on backwards. Um, that's supposed to say red and white. I'm not sure what happened to the red label. I have to redo that. And here's some veggie seeds I need to put down in the fridge too. And then on this side is where I have my succulents mostly. There's some other house plants on this side. And in the middle here, these are house plants that need some attention. This one is way overgrown, and I need to cut it back and do some propagating. Some of these need repotting, etc. Oh, I need to water that fern. And then over here I've got more plants, more house plants that they're either the mother plants that I take cuttings from, or they're propagations. And in the wintertime, I focus more on that and selling them on Facebook. And then over here is mostly my seed starting. Oh, and my bouquet vases and jars. I keep them up here for the bouquets that I sell on the weekends at my roadside stand. And then this is where I'm going to put my seed trays. And I do have grow lights here. I'm just not going to turn them on right now because we're not ready. And so I'm going to do two shelves of seeds. And I've got these labeled by color too: white, red, orange, etc. And I've already got my seed packets laid out about what I want to do in each tray. I'm going to do like 6 mini trays in each one. And these are the mini trays I'm going to be using. As you can see, I have used them in the past. And I've rinsed most of them out. That one probably needs another rinse. I've got some that are the larger 6-pack, and a bunch are the 12-pack. And they do come with bottom trays, individual size bottom trays, and covers like this. But what my plan is when I first plant them, because none of them will be growing yet, I'm going to use these domes that came with the larger trays, just because it'll be easier to manage those when they're getting started. And then as they germinate, then I'll transfer them to the smaller trays, which I have over here in my closet. Needs a little bit of organizing in here, but these are the smaller trays that fit the individual cell packs, and then I've got all the lids there. So that way they can grow on their own. So that, oh, and then in the middle here, I've got my, what do you call that? I don't know, potting tray. And that's where I do the potting, so it contains the mess. And then this is my bin of potting soil mix that I keep in here, and I need to refill that, so I've got enough for this project. So that's my planting room, and I think we're ready to get started. Okay, so that's my process for getting these seeds started. And most of these seeds are going to be for fall planting for those cool annuals. And hopefully some of those warm annuals like the zinnias will have a chance to bloom as well. But I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of those trays planted. I don't think you have to watch all of that, but you got the idea. So if you have any questions or any videos you'd like to see me make, please let me know in the comments. And I will see you next time. Bye.